Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 26th, and we are going to take a look at Dow Jones and other indices. Let's look at the VIX a little bit. Look at the culprit right here. The VIX, which is the fear indicator based on the option premium, it's looking at the volatility, at the uncertainty in the market. And the uncertainty, look at how the uncertainty rose today. It rose by 3.71. If we go on the 1 hour chart right here, the uncertainty started on the first hour, but then came up all the way during the day. What is the reason for that? Jerome Powell warned that the fight against inflation could lead to some pain for the economy. He basically said that he will do whatever he can to bring the inflation down to 2%, even if it hurts. So basically, we should be expecting in September another rate hike and maybe some other rate hikes in the future. So that spooked pretty much everybody in the stock market. And this is why the VIX reacted the way it is. And let's look at Dow Jones right now. So Dow Jones, let me just adjust it. So look at Dow Jones. Look at how strongly we fell outside of this support. This is extremely strong. We had not had stochastic over 60 again. So this little move back up was nice, but it was not a permanent thing. And this is exactly what happened. Dow Jones took a nice big plunge. If we look at S&P 500, plunge also breaking our support. NASDAQ close to support, and NASDAQ 100 right on the support. Look at how perfectly this is aligning with what we had on July 14th. We had a move back down, a 1-day move back down, and then we came back up. This is aligning perfectly there. So this is why I am doing this other support line. But maybe this time is going to be a little bit different. When we have a big move down like this in the stock market, we tend to go back up a little bit, and then it's at that point that we really know if things are picking back up or things are continuing down. So basically, one candle does not make a trend. It could be just a fluke. We already were into this little downtrend right here. This is not really nice to see. If we pull back a little bit, the stock market is in a downward trend, and we had a nice run from June to right about now. We had a nice run up, but as I mentioned to you, be careful of this resistance right here. And this is exactly what is happening. We bounce on this one, and now we are starting a descent. This descent could stop right here. It could have stopped here, but this did not work. It could stop right here. But if it does not stop here, it could bounce a little bit. But if it does not stop here, then we are really going to come back down, and we could go as low as 29,000 or so for the Dow Jones. A couple of weeks ago, we thought that everything would be great in terms of the stock market because we were going up and making money, which is great. But now we are just going to have to switch our gears and start thinking about making money on the way down instead of on the way up. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.